what is your feeling right now? How easy it is for you to identify your feeling? When I was asked this question few years back, what are you feeling right now? I was blank. I said, really? Feeling? I said, I'm feeling nothing. I'm feeling blank. You see, it's not very easy for people like me to identify what I'm feeling, to give it a word like, okay, I'm feeling sad, or I'm feeling worried, or I'm feeling frustrated. At that time, I was not a very honest person with my own self, and identification of feeling was a far, 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 far reality for me. And I suppose there are many people like me. So if you are like me, who really does not understand what the feeling is, now why should we understand this feeling? You see, there is one thing that something like thoughts, and another thing is feelings. Thoughts are like, really, there are thousands, millions of thoughts going on in our head. Our brain is a very, very, very powerful organ. So to keep track of the thoughts is highly impossible. And these thoughts are really very tricky. They will trick us into thinking very illogical things sometimes, but they use very powerful logic. So thoughts are very powerful, and these thoughts will lead us to a place in our mind where we might not feel good. And really, would you like to land up in a place that does not feel good? When you think about the place that your thoughts have landed in, you will realize it's not the present moment. Okay, so whenever you go away from what is the reality, we think, okay, my thoughts are logical, I am thinking logical, I am being practical, I am being worried about the future. But actually, it is the future, it is not the present. The thing that you can act upon is now, it is the present. So if you are able to get hold of the present, then thoughts cannot bother you or can take you astray. So this is very tricky. So at such times, the feelings, the emotions act as our guide, act as our protection. So just check what are you feeling right now, and you will come to know how away are you from the present, from the truth, from the reality. Always remember, the truth, the reality is the present moment. It can never be the past or the future which has not yet happened. The truth, the reality is the present, the now, whatever is in the present. And the degree of goodness in our life is how much we are aware about this present moment. Awareness of the present is the awareness of the truth, awareness of the reality. And our thoughts can sometimes take us away from this important truth. Watching our thoughts is highly, highly, highly difficult and seemingly impossible task. It will again take us away with it. It's very easy to flow with our thoughts, but watching our feelings is a possibility. So if you are not feeling good, probably you are away from the truth, away from the reality, away from the present moment. So the takeaway from this probably few minutes that you watch this video is that be aware of what you are feeling. At least if you cannot give a name to what you are feeling like me, at least think about whether you are feeling good or bad, whether you are feeling uplifting or you are feeling downwards. It should be, the feeling has to be taking you upwards. Your cells should be growing, like we want to grow, right? We don't want to die. So if the feeling is uplifting, you are growing, you are expanding. If the feeling is going down, you are dying. So ask yourself what you are feeling right now. If it is uplifting, good news, you are more closer to the present. If it is down, close your eyes, take a deep breath, and try to come into the reality. Look around. What were you thinking? Were you thinking about the past or the future? Where were you? You were away from the present. Remind yourself to come in the present moment. Probably what you were thinking was about a future possibility which is away. It is not true yet. And probably what you were thinking was in the past which is gone. So come back, come back, come back, come back in the present moment. Okay. And there are a number of things that can help. There are many tools available with many people, many teachers, many helpers are working on this to get you on track. And life starts from now. All the solutions are in the now. So staying in the present is the only thing, is the only work that you need to do in your life. And you will find all the solutions if you are completely in the present. You cannot find the solutions from the past or from the future. All the solutions of your problems are in the present moment. So first thing that you have to do is just come in the present, be in the present. And I really wish every one of you that you guys stay in the present most of the time, because that's where your true power is. All the best. Bye bye.